Hello YouTube, anyways today's video is going to be kind of like a how-to slash like Easter themed like DIY, so like something along those lines. So if you don't already like and subscribe, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, hit that like red subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up, please. If you made it this far, might as well subscribe. So anyways, what we have in front of us today are the ingredients. We're going to make some sort of like sugar exfoliant scrub. So coconut oil or whatever oil that you have that can be a solid in a liquid. Some food coloring, just whatever you have. You can also use the like little dropper ones. You can either use essential oil, some sort of essential oil, or you can also use a extract, like this is vanilla extract. Please use all these ingredients responsibly. And then we have a spatula to stir it up with. And then you will also need some sugar. Then you will need a toothpick for the food dye. So what we're going to start with, we're going to go ahead and start with a bowl. Then we're going to bring our spatula. Yeah, and this is stained from a different DIY that I don't think I made on this YouTube channel. Then you're going to take your coconut oil. Oh yeah, and you will need a jar to put it in after it is done with a lid. Sorry, I hit the microphone. Didn't mean for that. With some sort of lid. So what we're going to do is we're going to start. This is about how much is left. And I would say that's probably about half a cup. Maybe a little bit less. So around there. You can get it out. You might need a spoon to get it out with. Just kind of squeeze out. Some ASMR for you there. Or you can use the bottom half of your spatula. Especially if you're not going to use the rest of the coconut oil again. Yeah, that's the hard part, getting it out. Or smaller spatula. So we're going to have some ASMR for a little bit. So please subscribe. I hope you like the ASMR a little bit in this video. I'm just gonna wipe the end of the spatula with the towel real quick. That's not on the screen, so it's not so oily. And then I'm just trying to see if I can't fit the rest of this in here and get as much as I can out for this. It's kind of like you're making a slime, but instead you're making a sugar scrub, which is kind of like a slime. You use it in a shower, I guess, but not exactly, because it's a exfoliant that you like rub on your skin, and it's supposed to take off all the dead skin, and then you use it like that. I think that's what it's for. Google what an exfoliant is for, because I could be completely wrong. Let's just put it that way. So then once you add about, I would say about a half a cup. Depending on your jar size that you're going to put it in. This is what I'm going to put it in. So if I have leftover, I can also put it back in the jar. This is what I'm going to do. So then you are now going to add your food dye. So you're going to go ahead and take your food dye. This is a gel food dye, in case you were wondering. And you're going to take your toothpick. Make sure it is a clean toothpick, which this one is. This hasn't even been open yet. So we're going to just dye it yellow, because that's the color of this. And we're just going to put some of this in here. I don't want to put the toothpick back in. I think I have another one while I'm at it. So I'm going to make sure it's clean and put it in here. And drop that outside. I do have a little bit of sugar. You can probably pour it out a little bit too if you need to. If you need to add more, you can add more. It shows yellow. This might be orange. And pour it out. So now we're going to take off the lid. And we'll just tear off the lid and use that food dye, and gel into the please subscribe if you've made it this far in the video. Okay, so did you know, like, let that drop, that's more than enough food dye. Put the like cap up on that, and it should be yellow. I'm not gonna get a yellow color, but it's more of an orange color, so I think the lid to the food coloring was on the wrong one. Even though it shows it's yellow, why is it turning up orange? And in person it looks more orange. Or maybe it's just not stirred all the way in yet. It still looks more of an orange color. So after you got all that coconut oil, which is about half a cup in, and I know it's probably kind of too big of a bowl, and it's orange. Then we are going to go ahead and add our essential oil, which I think I'm going to go or your vanilla extract, and you can mix one. Since for some reason this turned out orange, I'm thinking I'm going to do a little bit of orange essential oil, or you can also just use pure vanilla extract if you do not want to use essential oils in this mixture for whatever reason. Maybe you can't use them for some reason, or don't like essential oils and like the smell of vanilla extract better. 1, 2, so I'm going to use 2 drops of orange, and I think I'm going to mix it with another one. We could do orange and pineapple. I think maybe we'll do orange, vanilla, pineapple. So that will smell really good. I'm going to do 1 drop of pineapple, or 2. Then I'm going to do, and that smells good. And then I'm going to do 1 drop of vanilla. So it's going to be orange, vanilla, pineapple. Scented. This is some essential oil. Okay, will that fill out? We'll get like 2 drops of that. And then we're going to stir this in. Now we're going to stir the essential oil in, which it should smell good. Or vanilla extract, or whatever extract you choose with. If you didn't want to go with essential oils and you just wanted to go with the, essential oils, or you could, if you went with a vanilla extract or some other type of extract, you should have poured that in whenever I poured that in. Then now it's just time for the sugar. Now you're going to add the sugar in. You don't want big sugar chunks like these, so you can just kind of break them down whenever you put them in. If you don't want to do the big sugar chunks, it's probably better if it's a little bit more granulated. But if you find a big sugar chunk, it's okay. You can just kind of go like that with your hand or whatever. And then now we're going to stir this all together until you get a good consistency. And just keep stirring until you get it where you want it. Kind of almost like that was about like a half cup of sugar, about a half a cup to a cup of sugar, depending on how much. That's about a half a cup to a cup of sugar that I poured in there. You want to make sure it's stirred up to get like a wet sand consistency. So anyways, to get like a wet sand like consistency, then once it's all mixed up, you just mix it till it looks about like that. And only use this on your body. Do not use it on your face, because it would not be good for your face. But for your body, if you use it, it works really good. And you can also, if you don't like coconut oil, you can use a different type of oil. Or if you can't use coconut oil for some reason, you can definitely use a different type of oil that can be a liquid in a salad, or something like that. And it smells really good what I put in here. And then I tested it out, and my hands are really soft, so you can kind of see from it. And oh yeah, whenever you use it, if for some reason you get like this orange color, whenever you wash your hands with it, or like you have to use soap afterwards. It's not hand wash, so you would have to use soap after you wash your hands. After you wash your hands with some normal soap, and leaves your hands feeling like really soft afterwards, or you know, just exfoliate or wash your hands before then exfoliate. However you want to do that, and make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I know this is a long video, so you might as well subscribe if you made it this far. Yeah, and you can use extract. You do not have to use essential oils. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope that is a fun Easter themed DIY, or like a spa night themed DIY. I'm not sure exactly what to call this, but anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you already do subscribe, thank you so much. See ya!